Hi beauties, welcome back to my channel. For today we're going to try out the magical blending for eyeshadows. So if you're curious, then keep on watching. The first thing that we want to do is to get our base on. For today I'm going to use the P. Louise base in Rumor 1 as usual. And just a little dot on my brush and divide. The second part is to take a eyeshadow palette and to take a cheap eyeshadow applicator. Thank God I've bought a palette with one of those because I don't own them like that. So yeah, okay, I was very happy. I was thinking about using the Happy Eyes from the palette, because there is a gold, a bronze and a brown. So yeah, I think that's going to be a good scenario for this look. So first we're going to dip our applicator in that gold. And she is putting, from what I saw in the videos, they're putting a stripe there. Then we're going in with that bronze. And it's going to be a stripe over here. Ooh. Okay, you can see this is really not my thing. Okay, I don't have anything on yet, so that's not a disaster. Not a complete disaster. Okay, now I've got a little wand on the back, so I'm going to use that for the brown one at the end. Okay, it's not one stripe, but I like a little bit more drama at the end. We've got this, and then they're going to take a big tapering brush. This is normally my concealer brush or anything, but it was dense, and yeah, it just seems like the same one. So, oh shit. They start at the very beginning to blend this part out. I'm so curious if this works. Because if you're not good in makeup and you think, okay, I want a combination of these three colors, and it is easy to apply, so why not then? Okay, let's take a look-see. So, and I'm using a very highly pigmented eyeshadow. I can see a little bit of a problem. It's here at the lower lash, no, not lower lash, at my lash line that is still blank. It's an obsession for me to cover that, so I'm going to fix that later. So now we're going to blend between these two. Okay. So I am not disappointed or anything. It looks like it works, but I also think you take a little bit of pigmentation away there with this big ass wand brush, I mean. So what I like to do, I've got some leftovers, so this is the golden. Put it more in the inner corner and until the edge, and the same with that bronze. Yeah, and for me it is too good, you know what I mean? It's too because what I can do with this technique, I can do also by normal brush and blending, but I can see the benefit. If you can't, then this is a great way to start doing that. If you do this for the first time, I recommend that you are starting with very soft colors, so it isn't that hard to blend. And like me, I really want this edge to be blended, just like that. It's a nice look. Okay, let me do the other eye. Okay, my blending brush to blend that edge a little bit more. Okay, so far I am happy with this look. What I am very curious about is, does it work with a smoky eyes? So I think that is a next video that I'm going to do with a smoky eye. So with the Confident Eyes from the Charlie Tilbury palette, Smoky Eyes Are Forever. I really love this palette. It's my favorite on this moment. And I thought this technique asks for a lot of pigment to get it all there. And I wasn't wrong. And you can see this has 2 layers and this has 1 layer. Now that's the difference on this moment. And I really like the side with 2 layers. So I'm going to build this one up as well. So what you can see, what it does, it's fading the colors away. So the pigment isn't there anymore, not the way we like it. It becomes softer. And I don't mind softer, that's okay. But I do mind if the color is gone. You can see now I'm walking almost straight again. There wasn't much left from that golden on the applicator. Ooh, that's a long time ago that I used an applicator like this. I'm done with my brows, foundation, and I already put a little bit of mascara on my lash, but I forgot to put some dark brown underneath my eye, and I'm using the Confident Eyes dark brown from the Charlie Tilbury palette. Just tap it up real good. Otherwise you've got a lot of fallout. I was just missing something. Doesn't have to be that dark. It's just that there's something going on. So, and this is the end for the Macical blending technique for eyeshadow. It's a mouthful, I know. I really enjoyed this hack. I can say it works. If you are a beginner, I think this technique is great because you can build it up. Let's say just be careful, blend it, if you already blended it, you can always wipe your brush on a towel so that the excess powder is gone and start again. You saw me, I did it in 2 times because I thought it was a little bit too, that it lost its pigment. So, and I really wanted the pigment to be there because these are gorgeous colors, and it's a shame if I can't show that off. So yeah, definitely try this one out, and the next time I will try this technique out, I will do a smoky eye to see if it works with that as well, and if the black is not going to take over the whole thing, because black is super pigmented, and or it does it well or it doesn't do anything, or it's going to be a gray blob. And I'm just curious how that is going to be. So that's for the next video with this technique. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you didn't already, please subscribe to my channel. And I hope to see you next time. Bye!